Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics entertain. This video I'm gonna guide you through how to download DoorDash app for driver. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. Now in order to download DoorDash application for a driver, first of all go ahead and tap on Play Store app. After you do that, you will be available with the home screen of Play Store. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on search at the top and then search for DoorDash. And then here, as you can see, DoorDash has been available for different applications. Go ahead and tap on DoorDash driver and then go ahead and tap on install and then wait for some time patiently, and then you will get your DoorDash app installed in your mobile phone. Then as you can see, your DoorDash application has been installed. So that's how you do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.